Climbing up to altitude, and you see the smoke coming out of his airplane. Well, there's smoke coming out of this truck that's moving on down. Folks, I mentioned earlier about the multicultural events that are taking place in the large hangar down to the east side with the big yellow banner on it. But right now, the Atlantic Beach bagpipers. Okay, here comes Bill Leff cutting around the corner pretty tight. World's fastest Dodge truck, driven by 6 tons. Watch the lookers are racing down the runway at about 307 miles an hour. Let's see what we can get out of the Dodge truck, the Flashfire jet. T-6 Texan coming up behind him at about 150 to 180 miles an hour. Now, at that speed, Bill Leff is going to have a huge head start on the Flashfire jet truck. But this Flashfire jet truck gets to 60 miles an hour in 1.5 seconds. And he gets to 300 miles an hour in about 6.5 seconds. Popping the burner out there, making sure he's turning that jet engine Then when he starts the afterburner, there's so much air moving on through there that you don't see that big orange flame that you normally see. When it's putting out the thrust, he's doing at least 150 miles an hour. He may be upwards close to 180 miles an hour. Let's watch. The crew chief is going to give the signal to let her rip just as Bill comes roaring up alongside. Okay, he's running up the engines. He's up to 100%. He's ready. And the race is on! Yeah, Bill's about 150. Oh my, look at this acceleration. He's got him already. He is way out of time. Keeping that burn going for about another extra second there, about an 8-second burn. There's that big parachute coming out to help slow him down. Okay, 317 miles an hour on that run. Running away from Bill Leff, coming by in the T-6 Texan at about 150. Looks like the car has won the drag race. Neal Darnell from Springfield, Missouri. On behalf of the Commemorative Air Force F4U Corsair Flight Demonstration Team, it's my pleasure to present to you World War II's premier multi-role fighter, the F4U Corsair.